In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset and start a game from scratch here on your PlayStation 5. If this guide does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more PlayStation tips just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment. But if you want to replay a game from the very beginning, you'll need to go ahead and delete your saved data. From the PlayStation 5 home screen, go to the top right and select the settings gear. And then from here in your settings menu, scroll down until you see the option for save data and game app settings. Open this up and you're going to see a few different options. From here, just choose save data PS5 or save data PS4 depending on which game you're actually playing. And then from within here, go ahead and select console storage. All you got to do is from this list of games that pops up, find whatever game you want to go ahead and reset. In this example, let's go ahead and pretend I want to reset It Takes Two. Select it and then choose delete down at the very bottom. This is going to remove that save from your console completely. That being said, if you do a PlayStation Plus, your saves are likely also back to the cloud. So go back one setting after doing so and go into the download or delete from cloud storage option. Find that exact same game, select that save file, and delete it here as well. Now, whenever you launch that game again, you'll be playing it for the very first time, essentially. No progress, no unlocks, just a fresh start. But that's how you can actually reset and delete game progress here on your PlayStation 5. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.